In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share computer audio during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you've ever wanted other people in your team's call to hear a video, music, or any sound coming directly from your computer, this is the setting you need to use. It's especially helpful when you're presenting a demo, showing a training video, or sharing content where audio matters. The good news is that the process is very quick once you know where to look. To begin, go into your call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. Make sure you've already joined the meeting where you want to present. It's usually best to do a quick check before you start sharing, especially if you plan to play a video or any media with sound. That way you can avoid delays and make the experience smoother for everyone in the meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the share button in the meeting controls and click it. This opens the sharing panel where Teams gives you different options for what you can present to other participants. If you don't immediately see everything you need, just take a moment to look through the panel carefully. The option is there, but depending on your screen size or Teams layout, it may appear slightly differently. Next, click on Choose what you want to share. This is the step where you decide whether you want to share your entire screen, a specific window, or other available presentation options. Choosing the correct source is important because it affects what your audience can see while you're also sending audio from your computer. Before you actually begin sharing, turn on the Include Sound toggle. This is the key setting that allows Teams to transmit your computer's audio to the meeting participants. If this toggle is left off, people may be able to see your screen, but they won't hear the sound playing from your device. So it's always worth double checking this switch before you continue. After that, you can proceed with your screen sharing as normal, knowing that your meeting participants should now be able to hear the audio from your computer along with the visual content you're presenting. If you're sharing a video, it can also help to close unnecessary apps or tabs in advance so your system runs more smoothly. And that's it. That's how to share computer audio during a Microsoft Teams meeting quickly and correctly, so your audience can hear exactly what you want them to hear.